धाकट्या रस्त्यांचे डिवायडर तरी कित्याक जाय? म्हापसा कोर्टा समोर कांय दिसां फाटीं नवो डिवायडर बांदला. तशेंच थंय एक स्पीड ब्रेकर आसा, मात कसलो सायनबोर्ड नाशिल्ल्यान कार कोर्टांतल्यान भायर सरून वतना एका एडवोकेटाच्या गाडये वयलो ताबो वचून गाडी डिवायडराचेर चडली आनी अपघात जालो. ह्या अपघातान कोणाक दुखापत जाली ना, मात धाकट्या रस्त्याचे डिवायडर कित्याक आणि हांगा प्रॉपर सायनबोर्ड कित्याक ना असो प्रश्न लोकांनी केला.
I'm a lawyer by profession. Yeah. What had happened is that we were on vacation, so I came here today, and out of nowhere, something is erected here, the speed breaker, and I couldn't. I was not aware about it, and I was not fast also because there's a red light there. I think they should have put a signage or signature board, something wherein you tell the person who's coming out of court, because this is. Many people come in and go out, in and out, in and out.
So remember, you were coming from the court?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But some people are saying that you were drunk or something, you were consuming some liquor or something.
No.
It's true?
No ways. You can take my test. I was good.
Okay.
I'm Jonathan. I live here only opposite the court. We had informed them not to install this divider when they were installing it, because it will cause unnecessary traffic jam and all, because ambulances pass beside everything. So if there is even one vehicle stopped, not a vehicle stopped over here, if a big vehicle wants to pass, there is not enough space. So the entire stretch gets blocked.
The road has become narrow.
The road has become narrow, and there is no way. Now even there is a lane which you can take left here constantly, you can go left. But because there is a divider, no vehicle can make way for the behind vehicles to constantly move towards the left and go down to the market road.
The divider was compulsory to put over here?
There was no requirement. There was no accident. I am living here for so many years. I never saw major accidents or anything take place that made it compulsory to install this. And traffic jam was more, there was no traffic jam as such.
So what do you think, what was the purpose of putting the divider over here?
I am not sure. We asked them, they are saying no, vehicles come more on this side and all. And that is the reason they are putting a divider. And they are putting it up till the junction there. That would have been terrible.
So because of the divider...
Now till here at least it is better than in the junction. But still it is causing a lot of traffic jam because vehicles are coming out from the court. There is no way to for vehicles to avoid the...
So what do you think, the divider has to be removed?
Should actually, and this stretch should actually not be there, because vehicles can move more freely out of the court and go down. Here others have to make sure that there is enough space for them to cross and go that way.
Before putting the divider, how it was?
They can come across, no? There was more constant flow without the signal and all. They have to wait for the green light, they have to be able to join that road. They wait halfway in the middle of this road and they block the entire traffic on this also. Rather than that, they would come here and start moving down towards the road, because that side is green signal. They don't have to stop and wait for this signal to move.
डिवायडर घातला पळय, त्या डिवायडर प्रमाणे आय थिंक कोर्टान भायर सरतले पळय, कोर्टान भायर सरता गाडी डिवायडराचेर पडला. आनी आय गेस जो डिवायडर आसा पळय तो रिसंटली घातलेलो आसा, मे बी एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 4-5 हजार रुपये डिवायडर घातलो आसा. तुमी डिवायडर पळयता पळय, तुमकां तो तुमी जर त्या हँडीन पळयशात न्ही, रोड पयलीं धाकटो आसा, रोड इज नॅरो, आनी तेच्या तुमी डिवायडर घालता न्ही, तो डिवायडर घालता सायडीचेर पार्किंग आसा पळय ते बंद करपाक जाय. रोड पयलीं धाकटो आसा, डिवायडर घालता, रोडाची बील आनी कमी येता. हांव वयल्यान सकयल जा पळयना एवरी टायम. आतां वयल्यान तुमी असो कॅमेरा आसा पळय थंय घुंवडावन पळय, ऑल द व्हेकल्स आर पार्क नेक्स्ट टू द डिवायडर. सो तो रोडाचो स्पेस आनी कमी पडटा. दॅट मायट बी वन ऑफ द रिजन. म्हाका दिसता हांवें पळोवंक ना, बट दॅट इज द रीजन बिकॉज आय ट्रॅवल फ्रॉम दीस सायड डेली. सो त्या खातीर दीस इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम. आय एम ऑल्सो सफरिंग. पण जाता काय, रस्तो नॅरो जाता पळय तेन्ना मातसो प्रॉब्लम फेस जाता काय.
हे आतां कोणाची गाडी हे जाल्या, रॅम जाल्या?
वन ऑफ माय कलीग.
वन ऑफ माय कलीग. कितें एडवोकेट म्हणून काय?
शी इज माय फ्रेंड.
बट शी इज अ एडवोकेट? हां, शी इज अ एडवोकेट. कोर्टांतल्यान भायर येयल्या ती?
ना, भायर जाली ती भायल्या पास म्हाका खबर ना. आय डोंट नो. I don't think it was, I guess, past here. I don't know whether it was coming from inside or it came from that side. I have no idea about it.
आणि असा म्हापसा GMFC कोर्टाच्या समोर सध्या हांगासर अशें जाल्लें आसा की हांगासर एक 4 व्हिलर जी कार आसा, हांगासर डिवायडर न्यूली हांगासर डिवायडर घातल्या कारणान जी 4 व्हीलर कार आसा ती एडवोकेट कोर्टांतल्यान भायर सरली तेन्ना हांगासर डिवायडराचेर तेणी रॅम्प केल्ली आसा गाडी, आनी ह्या हेतून गाडी जी आसा सद्या डॅमेज जाल्ली आसा. पूण लोकांची अशी मागणी आसली हांगासर जो डिवायडर आसा पळय तेजी अत्यंत गरज नासली, कित्याक हांगासर ऑलरेडी हांगासर सिग्नल्स आसात आनी सिग्नल आसल्या कारणान ट्रॅफिक भरपूरशे हांगासर जाम जाता. सकाळच्या जर टायमार जर तुमी पळयत जाल्यार स्कुलाक जर वयतले जाल्यार हांगासर इतलें ट्रॅफिक सद्या जाम जाता की कमीत कमी 200-300 मिटराचेर येत जाल्यार कमीत कमी 2 वरां हांगासर काडची पडटा. इतलें ट्रॅफिक हांगासर सकाळच्या टायमार जाम जाता. ह्याच कारणाक लागून लोकांची मागणी आसली की हांगासर जे डिवायडर घातला हो डिवायडर घातला पळय तो खंय तरी कमी करचो वा खंय तरी फुडें शिफ्ट करचो. हांगासर ह्या डिवायडराची गरज ना अशें तांच्यांनी म्हटलेलें आसा. कित्याक सच्या प्रमाणे जेन्ना एडवोकेट वगैरे वा बाकीचे जे आसात ते जेन्ना कोर्टांतल्यान भायर सरता वा भितर वयता तेन्ना हो जो डिवायडर घातला हेका लागून भरपूरसो त्रास जाता आनी भरपूरसो ट्रॅफिकूय जाम जाता. कित्याक डिवायडरा खातीर हांगासर जो रस्तो रूल आसलो तो सारको नॅरो जाल्ल्या कारणान खुबशे प्रॉब्लम हांगासर लोकांक फेस करचे पडटा. सद्या हांगासर जी गाडी आसा ही टोटल हांगासर डिवायडराचेर रॅम्प जाल्ली आमकां दिसण्याक येता. जितली अपडेट आमकां ह्या गाडये बद्दल जी रॅम्प जाल्ली आसा ती मेळत रावतली तितली अपडेट जी आसा आमी सदांच तुमचे मेरेन पावयत रावतले. पळयत राव तुमी इनोवा खातीर हांव सायप्रसाद कुबडे म्हापशेंच्यान.